Can't help you. Please make the first right turn coming up. And we'll pull it over safely to the right side of the road. Just against this snowbank right here, please. Without putting it in park. So now they'll ask you to go through the procedure for doing a 3-point turn without using anyone's driveways. And go ahead. 3-point turn.
So without putting it in park?
Yeah, because they just tell you that because in case you know when you're doing the 3-point turn, you don't actually park the vehicle first before proceeding.
Should I wait for them?
No. Awesome. That was good.
Well, you said the no driveways thing, and I was like, well, I'm in someone's driveway. I was like,
Yeah, because you're not allowed to use other people's driveways. So left turn here. And please make a right turn at the traffic lights. They'll say please.
this is nerve-wracking. Jesus.
I know. It's supposed to give you a taste of what it's really like.
Scary.